If you are working in a retail store like a Sainsbury, you get paid around £9.20 per hour. In USA, it's around £11.20. Now, the website I'm going to show you guys, you can earn $3 every 5 minutes, which is 12 times 3, you can make up to $36 per hour. But again, they depend on the website, the number of tasks that you are available, the length of the test, because if there's a smaller the task, if it's smaller, like for example 5 minutes, you get paid around $3. If it's 10-15 minutes, you get paid higher amount. It depends on the website and depend on the task and the number of tests the task available. So it will all determine how much you can make every single hour, but this is the rough idea. So in this website, basically it's called Userbrain. Basically what you have to do is testing website and app. As a graphic designer or website designer, the creator have to know what the user thinking about before they go to publish the website or mobile app to the general publication. So what they do, they come to a website like this one, or Userlytic or Try My UI, to put this website in front of tester like you and me to get honest opinions. It doesn't matter you give a negative or positive or both review, they want what you are thinking about the site or the app. So when the test begins, from the start to end, you need to speak clearly and loudly what do you think about the website or the app. But again, I said, smaller the task, you get paid smaller amount, larger the task, you get larger amount, and number of tests determine how much you can make per hour. I make a video in previous about 8 website testing site that you can make money. This is one of them. I didn't do the review before, that's why I'm doing it now. But if you want to make money by testing website, I suggest to sign up all 8 sites, so you have more chance to make money every single day rather than waiting the test that available on a one single site. So if you want to and learn more about that, I will show the entire tutorial, sign up and everything. So you have to stay with me, guys. Don't just cancel and go and watch something else. I will show you what you have to do, what information you need, what if there's a test available, pre-test available or not, everything I talk about now, guys. So you have to stay with me. So before that, if you really like my video, subscribe and click my like button and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new video. So when you come to this website, it's called userbrain.com, userbrain.net. So in that page, you need to go to the section called get paid to test. There you are sign up. So if you click that, it will open up this page. Basically they talk about you get paid around $3 for 5 to 15 minutes task, but it won't last more than 15 minutes. And it won't you can finish in average you can finish the task within 6 to 10 minutes. So this application, in order to do that, you need to have a laptop with the Chrome extensions. If you don't have a laptop or computer to do that, if you have iPhone, you can do it over there when you download the Userbrain app. So in this page is straightforward. There's a video about how its entire system works. Where when you come to here, this is sign up page. You need to sign up. So I don't have an account created before, so I'm gonna do that. I will come back when I sign in, guys. So when you signed in, they send the email confirmation to your email link. So you need to click that and finish the process. So when you signed in, it will take to this page. When you signed in, you get the confirmation on the email. When you click the link, it will open up this page where you have to fill all the information like first name, last name, the country of residence, native language, your gender, date of birth, and the device for the testing. Always, if you have a laptop, it's easy to do that in laptop, so I suggest to put the laptop. If there's any second option, you can put the mobile phone also. So the profile is completed successfully. Then you need to get started with the Userbrain. If you haven't tested before, make sure you understand the basic earning money with the testing website for your customers. The reason I'm reading it because I never signed it before. I'm signing with you guys, so I go through each section carefully. Here the most important thing you should know about testing Userbrain. The site is tested, not you. You can't do anything wrong. Basically, like I said, there's no right or wrong answer. Your screen and your voice is recorded. While testing, you need to think loud That's the thing, and explain what you're thinking through your mind all the time. That's the thing. Think and speak. Don't just think about it. And make sure you follow all the given tasks to answer the question. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes on the site. And watch it. You need to watch the video. If I know the basic things, so you don't need to do that. And you need to click and continue. It will take you to the page. Let's see if there is any test available at the moment. So your profile is completed, please update it now. Okay, and you have already completed 0 test and you have balance and 0. So in order to let you test the website for the customer, we would love to see qualification test from you. So what we had to do is just open the Userbrain Experience Google Chrome extensions or Userbrain app and log in with email. So I need to set up a Google Chrome extension here to start to make money on this website. Okay, once you added the Userbrain Chrome extension, you need to sign into the page using the same login detail. So once you've done that, you need to do the testing on your Chrome extension. So click this one and start qualification test. Find the quiet place with no distraction. Already a recording here, so next. And try to complete each task before moving on. Next, continuously speak through your thought out loud. Okay. And to record the test, you need to give a Userbrain access to your microphone. Give access now. Now I need to allow that. Give me access now. Allow that. Done. You are now ready to record the test with the Userbrain. Please click the Userbrain extension icon to continue. So I click that. Audio, which is the user. I need to select the microphone which I am using here, and you guys can see the microphone is working fine. Click next. So guys, if you've done that test, click submit and it will take to this page. Did you complete all the steps you ask and answer all questions? Yes. And can you hear your voice loud and clear? Yes. And did you speak through the observation and loud? Okay, you need to listen to that bit here. Okay, the final part, you're ready to upload your qualification test for review. You complete all the steps you ask and answer the questions. Your voice is loud and clear. You spoke through and observation out loud. So basically, this is the final step, guys. Once they review that, you start to do the test and earn money from Userbrain. So that's it, guys. If you want to learn more about money making online, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and also if you like my videos, show your support by liking the videos. And I try to upload 1 video per day. If I can't, I upload 1 every 2 days. It's about money making and motivations and tutorials, everything I learned, so I'm going to share with you guys. I know selling courses are here. I share my own free knowledge with you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on next one. Thanks, guys.